Are you doing email marketing in your business? If you're in the home services business and you're not doing email marketing, why not? Is it too heavy of a lift for you technically, or is it the creative that you don't know what to do? In this video, I'm just going to give you a quick run through about email marketing and my experience with it. So about 2.5 years ago, maybe just a little bit longer at this point, one of my friends, another small business owner, said, you know what, why aren't you doing email marketing? You should really do it. And I thought to myself, I don't know. I used to. I did it in my restoration business. I did it in my auto glass business, and the results were very good. Why am I not doing it in my coaching business? So 2.5 years ago, I decided I'm going to start. And I've followed the same blueprint the whole way through. And I wish I had done it in exactly the same way in my restoration business and my auto glass business. The big difference is video, right? So in this video, I'm going to just give you the quick rundown about how I do things. And although I don't specifically coach on this topic, if there's anything I can do to help, just reach out. Click the link below this, book a call with me, and I'll walk you through it in a little more detail. Okay, so I do 3 emails every month. 2 of them have a short video just like this. 1 of them is text only. I always keep them short. 3 to 5 minutes is the goal. I always have some type of simple call to action. It's either book a call with me, download this form, sign up for this training session, join this challenge, some type of request for the viewer or the reader to take action, right? I'm just working at building a relationship over and over in very small steps, right? These emails are all about how can I help you build your business? And a lot of times the subject is framed up as a client asked me, or I had a conversation with a client, right? So if you're in the restoration business, think of all of the questions that your clients are asking you, all the questions that your referral sources are asking you, all the questions that residential insureds are asking you, that property management companies are asking you. What are those common questions? And then briefly address them, right? So through video, they'll get to kind of know you a little bit, right? So often somebody books a call with me, and in a very short conversation decides to become a client. And it's because they feel like they're telling me this. They feel like they already know me because they've been watching my videos. In one case, just recently, the person had been watching my videos for the entire 2.5 years and became a client. Okay, so it's not difficult. You can make it difficult. I'm not very technical, and I could, and I've gone down these rabbit holes in the past where I think, I should get much more sophisticated with my approach. There's so much great technology out there, and I could be doing things that I see a lot of other people doing. And business gets in the way, and that's okay, right? I continue to just plug away 3 a month over and over and over, and the results follow. And I highly encourage you to incorporate video. The chances that they're going to remember you versus not remember you when something comes up for them or a friend or a family member are greatly increased, right? Or if you are a full service company and do repairs and remodeling, and you've gotten a new customer as a result of some emergency, and then you stay in touch with them and remind them that you don't just do emergency work. You do additions, renovations of bathrooms, kitchens, basement refinishing, right? If you remind them, then when the need comes, right, when they've got that spark of interest that they watched their, another episode of HGTV, and they thought, you know what, we really should do that improvement that we've been wanting to do. And we had such a great experience with ABC Restoration Company. And I remember seeing their email saying, that they do basement refinishing, or they do new kitchens, or they do additions, right? That's going to be the way that they remember you, as opposed to they get on Google, Yelp, House, whatever, ask a friend. But if you stay in touch with them through email marketing, there's a much better chance you're going to get the job. If you've been on the fence about doing email marketing in your home services business, just book a call with me. If you can't get yourself over the fence, just book a call with me. I'll give you the nudge you need. I'll help demystify it, and you'll be on your way.